So I'm just going to finish up by going over the classroom policies. You must log on at least once per week. Even though this is virtual, I want to make sure that everyone is logging on at least once a week. We'll definitely have assignments due several times a week. So this way you can make sure you're keeping up with all of your work and getting all the material covered. Live sessions are going to be held on some Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., which is the original time we would have met if this was an on-campus class. These live sessions are optional but highly encouraged. This is a time when I'm going to be doing live demonstrations and tutorials, and if you're watching, you'll be able to ask questions immediately and engage with me. If you are not able to attend, they will be recorded and posted for later viewing, and you'll still be responsible for any assignments assigned or material discussed when you're not present in that live session. So you'll definitely be expected to watch it and learn from it. Project presentation live sessions are mandatory. There's going to be 2 dates where you absolutely must tune into the live session, and you have to make sure you're able to participate in the full session. Engagement with your peers is essential, and you must participate in critiques of their peer work. So November 4th, 2020 and December 2nd, 2020 from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You absolutely must mark in your calendar as times that you are going to have available. These are both Wednesdays, so it'll correspond with the Wednesdays we've already been doing as live sessions. So you can just work this into your schedule as though this is a regular school time and don't schedule anything else. This is when we're going to present our major projects to the class. Please use proper online netiquette when posting to the discussion forum or in a live session. Be respectful and courteous to your peers and focus on giving helpful insights and suggestions that will help them improve their work. The VCU Honor Code policy still governs this course. Academic dishonesty is taken very seriously. Cheating and plagiarism will not be tolerated. A student caught cheating will be given a 0 for the work in question, removed from the course with a grade of F, or expelled from the college. Students are required to purchase all mandatory textbooks and materials for their classes as indicated in the course syllabus, and all work must be turned in on time for full credit. No late work will be accepted after 2 days late. The first day is an automatic 10-point deduction, the second day is a 20-point deduction, and after day 2, no late work will be accepted. If you have disabilities or need student counseling, please contact them earlier rather than later to let them know what accommodations you need, and they can set that up for you. Also, if you want to let me know if there's any accommodations you need, that would be helpful as well. This is the tentative schedule, and it's on the syllabus that's going to be posted to Blackboard, so you can also read through it and see that we're going to be moving very quickly. You'll often have 2 different assignments due each week, one midweek and one at the end of the week. So this is going to be very fast-paced, and you'll definitely always have homework and something you need to be working on. The yellow highlighted times are actually where I will be submitting feedback to you. So the way that this works is if you make sure to get in your assignment by the due date, I can immediately provide you feedback so that you can be working on the next part and get better. The best way that this works is if we're in constant communication with each other. So the faster you get your material to me, the faster I can give you feedback, and then you can move forward to get better and better. So we'll just be in touch throughout. And you can see how it goes and how projects are due. And then the last page here culminates with our final project that'll be due December 2nd, and that's when we'll have that live session and present to each other. So feel free to email if you have any questions, and read through this fully on Blackboard so that you've got all the information down.